crazy, man. What do you mean? It's pretty bad.
Yeah.
Yeah. Crazy men these days.
Yeah, it's like, that's just sad.
Like, we have plenty here.
You got the hiccups?
Yeah. I hate the hiccups. We gotta do something about that. You know what I heard works?
What?
If you sit, like, go up on against a wall upside down.
Okay.
So try it.
Okay, where?
Alright, man, go for it.
Okay. So, upside down?
Yeah, that's what I saw on the interwebs.
Okay. Just give me a second. Okay. I did!
I don't know if it's gonna work. Stay there for a little bit longer.
I can't.
You gotta tough through it. Oh, there you go.
It didn't work.
Well, you know what else I heard works is
What?
if you drink some water, it might help.
Okay, let's go try
Let's
that.
try it. Right here? Here we go.
Okay, ready? Didn't work. Didn't. Come on.
Try it
Give it
again.
another try.
I'm not thirsty anymore.
Why are you sad?
I got damn hiccups.
Oh, hiccups.
Yeah,
I've gotten those before.
They're pretty bad.
Yeah. How have you tried stuff?
Yeah?
What?
Well, I tried going upside down against the wall, but that didn't work.
Oh, that
And
sucks.
then I tried drinking water, but then that just made me not thirsty
Who
anymore.
told
but
you
I'm
to
still
do this?
Dalton.
Wow.
Dalton did.
Oh. What else did you do?
That's about it.
Oh. I got a thing that you could do.
What's that?
I learned at Science North last week.
What is it?
You're gonna love it.
Okay. Well, I bet if it helps my hiccups.
Okay, ready?
Okay, yeah. What?
Did it work?
Yeah, it's good.
Dalton! 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 Guess what? Guess what? My hiccups are gone. How does that sound? That's awesome.
Did I just get the hiccups?
Yeah.
That's not good. Okay, well, the first thing you need to try is the upside down handstand. Alright? Alright, I'll give it a go. Go for it. Move a little closer to the wall. There you go.
Okay, I guess we're trying something else.
That's obviously not working. So I'll do what I did for Alex.
Okay.
I'm not telling you when it's coming though. Ah!
That's stupid. Okay, Dalton. Well, the first thing you gotta try and do is the upside down stand. Alright. Ready? Upside down top. Alex, I think, oh, there you go.
I did it.
Now stay there. for a little
Okay.
bit.
Guys, the camera was a bit shaky.
Okay. And Alex, you have to be like hiccuping when you're talking. Like you were just talking all normal. Like I saw on the internets. Yeah. Go for it. Okay, I'm gonna have to execute this good. Alright, here we go. And stay there for 10 seconds.